How to fix GCash request permission. Now, this can appear whenever you have these situations, which is logging in or verifying your account, scanning a QR code, uploading ID or selfie for verification, sending money to contacts, location-based services, and security and fraud protection. So, Gcash does request these permissions in order to read your number, detect SIM. It needs camera access to scan, requires camera and storage access to take or upload photos, request contact access to show which of your phone contacts use Gcash, and it also needs location access for accurate maps or nearby stores. So if for some reason Gcash keeps asking this, you can go ahead and directly or manually turn these permissions on in the settings. So of course, we're gonna have to go to settings in order to do that. So once you're in settings, just search for your apps. In apps, we're gonna look for Gcash. That's where we will be able to unlock or allow these permissions. So scroll down to Gcash over here. You can search for it as well if you want. But as you can see, there's app permissions and other permissions. So in app permissions, make sure all of these are allowed: camera, contacts, location, notifications, and photos and videos. You don't have to allow these other ones. And for the other permissions, these doesn't have to be allowed as well. Just focus on allowing these main five permissions, which is your camera, contacts, location, notifications, and photos with the videos. But if you go ahead and allow these permissions, this problem can potentially fix. And if it can, hopefully it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.